Hello guys, Washer Lad 2014 here. I wouldn't say this is a wash-in, but it's kind of a brief one. I'm with Ilove Servis, aka Jack, and he's come to help me try and fix my Zanussi WJD1667W. Do you want to say hello, Jack?
Hello.
He's taken all of these out, and we should hopefully be getting my Zanussi up and running. Though the motors are not the same, but we should get it up and running. Right, the motor is now on, the new motor, and we're going to test the machine out to see if it works. Then I'm going to plug it in. There's no water in that, so it's just... see if it will... The machine's now on. Right, it's spinning. Well, are you sure that it's a 1600 RPM motor?
Yeah, they spin up first.
Oh yeah.
They go to 2000 RPM.
Oh yeah. Because I remember you were saying on my Instagram when I got the first motor from my old work, and there was a risk of it blowing the board. That's what I'm worried about.
Yeah, no.
Shouldn't happen. Right, second burst. About 600, 700 I think. Wait, is that the bearings like here? It's about 900 I think. $1,000. Right, it goes to 1200. We're at, I think 1100 now, I think. Right, ramping up to 1400 now. And we're ramping up to 1600. slowing down. Yeah, it did that bit where it retains its speed for a bit, then it goes down.
Yeah.
Anyway guys, we have finished, and that's a successful spin cycle in the Zanussi WJD1667W. Yeah, with its new motor in. I think the brushes probably need a bit of wearing down, so yeah. Many thanks to Ilove Servis for putting the new motor in. And yeah. But guys, I'll see you guys another time. It's a goodbye from me and goodbye from Jack.
Goodbye.